Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the brand new Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR, and we'll look at the exterior, the interior, and listen to the sound on this beautiful GTR. Enjoy. This Mercedes-AMG GTR has an engine output of 577 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, and is electronically limited to a top speed of 198 miles an hour. And it has the titanium exhaust system that you see right here with a gorgeous red diffuser, extreme performance sport tires with 19-inch front and 20-inch rear 10-spoke forged wheels with yellow brake calipers. And in the front, you have the active distance assist electronic system in the grille, right in the Mercedes emblem. Amazing looking front splitter with massive air intakes for aerodynamics. One of the options on this AMG GTR is the exterior carbon fiber package too, that includes the carbon fiber rear fixed wing and carbon fiber side mirror housings, but specifically the carbon fiber rear fixed wing helps with the downforces, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Take a look, AMG GTR 2020, and this thing is gorgeous. The interior on this AMG GTR is a black exclusive Nappa leather with diamond stitching, and the AMG Performance full dynamic steering wheel. And you can see right on the steering wheel you have the knob which lets you select your driving mode. Taking a look at the front here, you can see your instrument clusters with very vibrant colors, and the display looks absolutely gorgeous. Good looking center console with piano black and carbon fiber cover as well, and all your different knobs and dials just go into that center console.